Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a fun fall mani and we're going to be using two colors here from RCS Custom Nail Dips. The first color here, it's super pretty. It is called Harvest and it is a dark, beautiful orange, and it also has some shimmer in here. And I just really like this color. I think it's perfect for fall, Halloween, and Thanksgiving. And then the next color here is called Hayride, and it is a beautiful fine glitter mixed, and it is gold, but yet it has some really small holographic glitter in here, and it is stunning. And then paired together, these two are just giving me amazing fall vibes. I just think these colors alone too would be really pretty for Thanksgiving. And then we're going to throw in some fun decals. These decals are the fall foliage decals from Nails Truly. I'll link everything in the description box below. And then we are going to be doing the gel method for today's mani. Stay tuned. I will be having some more dip liquids manis coming up on my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a few moments. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and place some decals on the nails. Now, decals are totally optional. You could either leave this mani as is, or you could do a matte finish. I think would also look really pretty with these colors. So for the decals, I already went ahead and placed a gel base coat on the 2 orange Harvest nails. Now that base coat, I did cure it for 30 seconds. It just allows a little bit of a tacky surface on that nail. So then when you go ahead and place that decal, it allows you to kind of move that decal around. So decals are very thin and they can tear and rip easily, and I find that using a base coat and curing that for 30 seconds, that it allows me to actually move that decal around without worrying about ripping it or anything like that. So that's the method I like. Sometimes I was using the Maniology sticky base, but I feel like with the gel method, I have better results when I'm trying to move the decals around versus when I was using the Maniology sticky base. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and we're almost done, and then I'll be back at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty is Hayride and Harvest together. I think it's the perfect fall combination. And then those decals really make this mani pop. So again, you don't have to use the decals. It's just optional if you want to jazz up your mani. So if you haven't checked out RCS Custom Nail Dips yet, or don't have any fall or Halloween colors, definitely go over to RCS Custom Nail Dips because she has some awesome Halloween and fall dip powders and just overall great dip powders in general. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. The 13 Days of Halloween series will be starting on my channel on October 1st, and that will last till October 13th. So give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!